Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make beautiful Rakhi. Let's start by gathering all the necessary materials. You'll need colorful threads like silk or embroidery floss for the main tie. Also, collect decorative items such as beads, sequins, and small mirrors to add sparkle. Don't forget your basic tools: scissors, craft glue, and a needle. Finally, choose a sturdy base material, perhaps cardboard or felt, to build upon. Now, let's create the foundation for your Rakhi. Begin by cutting a small shape, like a circle or square, from cardboard or felt. Aim for about 2 inches in width. Next, cover this base with a vibrant piece of fabric or decorative paper to give it a clean, finished look. Then, securely attach a length of thread, roughly 12 inches long, to the back of your base. Make sure it's centered and firmly glued for lasting strength. This is where your creativity truly shines. Start by arranging your chosen beads, sequins, and small mirrors onto the Rakhi base in a pattern you love. Use a strong craft glue to firmly attach each decorative piece, ensuring they won't fall off. You might also consider adding small fabric flowers or intricate embroidery for extra texture and visual interest. Remember to allow ample drying time, at least 30 minutes, for all the elements to set completely. To complete your beautiful Rakhi, carefully trim any excess threads or uneven edges to achieve a polished, neat appearance. If you wish, you can add a protective clear coat or sealant to ensure its longevity and shine. Store your handmade Rakhi in a safe place until the special occasion arrives. Remember, personalizing each Rakhi to reflect the recipient's unique style makes it even more meaningful and cherished.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.